glad to meet you back at WiseVoice. Today's topic gonna be about brains. Yeah, I feel it's time for you to get know about the most important part of your body, the brain. Have you ever noticed your brain is like a computer that stores all of your information for you, from your experiences, thoughts, and even emotions. Your brain is very powerful simply because it has a huge memory bank that can store every bit of your knowledge, thoughts, emotions, and expressions that you have received since the day you were born. And for you to store more and more information in a computer, you will need to upgrade your RAM. But have you ever done that for your brain? Of course not. So now, I guess you do realize your brain could be your most precious possession. Yeah, you can argue your other body part organs like heart, your kidney, your lungs, your liver, and the list just goes on, are very important too. Well, how about this? Suppose you had a heart failure, you could still get a heart transplant. But have you ever heard of getting a brain transplant? Of course not. What makes your heart and other parts of your body function? Your brain, right? It works just like your computer. The moment your hard disk gets corrupted, your computer then worthless to you. Well, since the day you were born, it has been capturing each second, minute, hour, and day of your encounter and experience. And so, that's exactly why your brain can help you to function well, make excellent decisions, and create powerful results. For you only if you know how to fit your brain cells with fantastic experiences of what you see, hear, taste, smell, or feel, as well as handling facts of information that you read and listen to. Exactly a good fact for you to ensure that your brain is in the right hands while you're listening to the wise voice. Have you heard about something called the subconscious mind? When your computer's memory space runs out, you can back up the files in a separate storage disk. How about your brain? Where do the knowledge and experience get saved in? They are stored in your memory cells in two different levels, your conscious mind and subconscious mind. The knowledge and experience that you see, hear, feel, taste, and smell are stored in your conscious and subconscious mind in form of thoughts and expressions. The awareness of your thoughts and emotions at your conscious mind is only 10%, while 90% of your emotions and thoughts are being stored at your subconscious level. Have you ever come across situations when you suddenly recall feelings that you have forgotten a long time ago, or you suddenly remember certain events or a particular person just like that? There may be also certain actions or habits that you do daily without being conscious of them, such as deciding what to wear for the day, or assignment deadlines that you need to meet. All these thoughts running through your head while you're brushing your teeth in the morning. Do you ever talk to yourself, like asking yourself what you want to eat for lunch, why you like a certain guy or a girl, what time you want to get up in the morning, whether you want to stay at home or visit a friend, or whether you should cancel an appointment? All of us do talk to ourselves in silence, or maybe in our mind. I call it a self-talk. Both the conscious and subconscious mind are merely two spheres of activity within our brain. Your conscious mind is the reasoning mind. It's responsible for all the decisions you make. The way you talk to yourself is very important. Your conscious mind will make a decision to act based on the conversation that you have had with yourself. On the other hand, without any conscious effort on your part, your heart is keep functioning automatically, and the vital functions of your digestive system, your blood circulation, and your breathing are going to keep going by your subconscious mind to process independent of your conscious mind. Psychologists and psychiatrists point out that when thoughts are conveyed to your subconscious mind, impressions are also made on your brain cells. Your subconscious mind also accepts what you consistently impress upon and what you consciously believe. It does not reason things out like how your conscious mind does, and it does not argue with you. It does not make objective decisions for you. Your subconscious mind is like a bit of soil that accepts any kind of seeds, be it good or bad. Both good and bad ideas are acceptable to it. This law, when applied in an active way, is the cause of failure, frustration, unhappiness, and fear for many people. If applied in a harmonious and constructive way, you will experience happiness, success, and prosperity. Therefore, your subconscious mind uses every bite of your information that you have gathered, and it can only draw from the infinite power, energy, and wisdom within you if you nourish it with knowledge and experiences that are good for you. This process will continue throughout your life. Isn't it mind-blowing? Well, that's it for this time. Hope you really did obtain some amazing knowledge on your brain. If you really enjoy my videos, kindly please subscribe to WiseVoice. And also it would be great if you will like our videos, share it with your friends, give us feedback on how the videos could be improved in future. We also truly welcome any video ideas from you. And also please don't forget to turn on the notification bell to keep you notified on any upcoming videos.